In a quiet village where the soil was dry and crops struggled to survive, a young boy named Ayan worked tirelessly in his small garage. Surrounded by sparks, blueprints, and tangled wires, he created a small robot, TF1, designed to help the land breathe again. This marked the beginning of a new journey, one where humans and technology would join hands for the very first time. As TF1 rolled into the fields, the villagers watched with curiosity. The robot planted seeds, analyzed soil conditions, and optimized water usage. Some villagers were skeptical, others amazed, but slowly the land began to respond. Green shoots emerged where only dust had existed before. No journey is complete without obstacles. Dark storm clouds gathered unexpectedly, threatening the fragile crops, but TF1 activated its protective systems and precise irrigation controls, shielding the plants from harm. The villagers, once doubtful, now watched in awe as science and determination protected their livelihood. Night fell, yet the work continued. From the rooftop of his home, Ayan gazed at the softly glowing fields below, reflecting on how humans and machines could complement one another. Their partnership was proving stronger than anyone had imagined. News of the success spread quickly to nearby villages. Ayan began training the villagers, teaching them how to operate the robots and explaining that machines were meant to assist, not replace, human effort. Children followed TF1 through the lush fields, learning the wonders of planting and watering, while adults realized how technology could amplify their own experience and wisdom. The first harvest became a grand celebration. Lanterns lit the night sky, villagers danced with joy, and TF1's lights flickered in celebration. It wasn't just crops being harvested. It was harmony between humans and machines. Encouraged by their success, Ayan and TF1 expanded their mission to neighboring villages. New lands brought new challenges. Pest infestations, floods, and unpredictable storms tested their teamwork. Each problem became a lesson, and each solution pushed them toward mastery. Villagers learned to interpret holographic data from the robots, combining traditional knowledge with technological precision. Soon, a network of sustainable farming villages emerged. Fields flourished, students observed and learned, and young farmers began innovating. Everyone understood that progress did not mean replacing tradition, it meant enhancing it. Severe storms, rising rivers, and unexpected system failures tested their resolve. Yet every time, TF1 adapted, and Ayan led with calm determination. Smart irrigation, protective systems, and collective problem-solving ensured the crops survived. Villagers were no longer observers. They were partners. Together, they learned, innovated, and celebrated shared victories. The land that once struggled now thrived, a powerful symbol of courage, teamwork, and technological harmony. Severe storms, rising rivers, and unexpected system failures tested their resolve. Yet every time, TF1 adapted, and Ayan led with calm determination. Smart irrigation, protective systems, and collective problem-solving ensured the crops survived. Villagers were no longer observers. They were partners. Together, they learned, innovated, and celebrated shared victories. The land that once struggled now thrived, a powerful symbol of courage, teamwork, and technological harmony. The villages now stood united, forming a vast region of green fields cared for by humans and transformers. Harvest festivals illuminated the nights, drones captured breathtaking aerial views, and children ran freely alongside glowing robots. Standing atop a hill, Ayan looked over the flourishing villages, his heart filled with hope. Beside him, TF1's lights glowed softly, a symbol of the balance they had achieved. Together, they proved that when humans and machines work hand in hand, even the toughest challenges can be overcome. The journey of transformers had only just begun, but the future was bright.